morning all of you. Welcome to our channel Easy Maths by Vijaya. Today our topic is data handling. Okay, class 6 and bar graph. Data. What is data? A collection of facts such as numbers, words, measurements, observations, or even just description of things. Okay, see, such as facts, such as numbers. Numbers means 1, 2, 3, like numbers. Words means apples, fruits, like benches, something. Collection of benches. Measurements. What is the length of board? What is the length of duster? What is length of chalk piece? Like this collection of measurements. And observations are even just description. Observation of just description means what is the how many things are there, how many chairs are there, how many peoples are there, like that. That is the data. Okay, that is the collection of data. Collection of things. Simply data is nothing but collection of things. Okay. Data handling. Data handling is nothing but data handling refers to the process of gathering, recording and presenting information in a way that is helpful to others. Data handling is nothing but gathering, recording. Suppose some data are there. Data is nothing but collection of information. Some information is there. Tennis. Some people are playing tennis. Some people are playing cricket. Some people are playing chess, like they are playing. That is the presenting, how they are present. You have to present to others. They have to understand your data. So that is the data handling, process of information in a way that helpful to others. That is the data. Okay. Suppose what sports do you play? So example of data handling: what sports do you play? Sports, people. Some sports: tennis, cricket, chess. Tennis are playing 45 people. Cricket, 50 people are playing cricket and 25 people are playing chess. This is the data handling. They are showing in some picture. Okay, that is the graph in our mathematical method. That is, graph is nothing but picture. Graph is nothing but picture. Okay, let us see the bar graph. What is bar graph? A bar graph is a chart that uses rectangular bars to show comparison between categories of data. Okay, the bars can be either horizontal or vertical. See, a bar graph is a chart. Chart means, chart is nothing but, in our mathematical method, chart is nothing but picture. Chart is nothing but picture. Okay, and uses rectangular bars. Rectangular means this is a bars. These are bars. Bars is nothing but rods. Rectangular bars. Rectangular bars. See, this is a rectangular shape. This is in rectangular shape. Okay, and to show comparisons between categories of data. Comparisons between categories of data means data, different type of data numbers, okay, comma, numbers, measurements, these are different type of data. It will, bar graph comparison between numbers, measurements, words. It show the bar graph compares the different type of data. Okay, and bars can be either horizontal or vertical. See, bars, these are vertical bars. Okay, bars can be either vertical bars or horizontal bars. These are horizontal bars. These are horizontal bars. These are vertical bars. Okay, either vertical or horizontal bars. two types of bars, and bar graphs are two types. One is two types of bar graphs. One is vertical bar graph, second one is horizontal bar graph. Okay, two types of bar graphs. Let us see the examples of vertical bar graph and horizontal bar graph. Example of vertical graph and horizontal graph. See, in a class marks Dheeraj and Hrutika Vijaya are got 6, 5, 8 marks out of 10 marks. See, vertical graph. Dheeraj, see, x-axis, right first, x-axis, y-axis, y-axis. Center of x-axis and y-axis represent is 0. See, vertical line represents y-axis, horizontal line represents x-axis. Okay, center of x-axis and y-axis is 0. In vertical graph, y-axis represents numbers. Okay, numbers. X-axis represents names. Their names are Dheeraj D. Okay, graph will be like this, no? Equal distances. Okay, D. Dheeraj, you take 1 centimeter of bar. Okay, Dheeraj here and Hrutika Vijay. Okay, names, and their names write out of 10. So right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Dheeraj marks, how many marks? Dheeraj has 6 marks. Take 1 centimeter, 6 is here. So Dheeraj got 6 marks. Okay, and Hrutika got 5 marks. Where is 5? Hrutika got 5 marks. Vijay got 8 marks. Where is 8? Okay, 8 marks. Vijay got 8 marks. It represents, see, in vertical graph, bars should be proportional to y-axis, number of y-axis. Okay, and in bar should be equal width. See, 1 centimeter. We have taken 1 centimeter, and this is also 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. Width of the bar should be equal. Okay, width equal. Same width you have to take, and this is the vertical bar. Vertical graph represents the data vertically. Okay, vertical graph shows data in vertically. So okay, in vertically it is showing. And horizontal graph also same. Vertical line represents y-axis and horizontal line represents x-axis. center of x-axis and y-axis 0. So write here same as it is graph. Okay, here write names. Here numbers. In horizontal graph, x-axis represents numbers and y-axis represents names. So now write numbers. How many marks out of 10? So write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And names, their names. First one is Dheeraj. Take 5 inches, 5 centimeters, and Krutika. Okay, Krutika and Vijay. So Vijay. So Dheeraj marks, how many marks? Dheeraj marks 6 marks. Where is 6 here? 6. So 6 marks. Okay. Here also in vertical, horizontal graph also bar should be equal. Width of the bars is equal and distance between bars should be equal. Okay. And Krutika marks 6. And Vijay marks 8. Okay. This is the horizontal graph, horizontal bar graph. This is the horizontal shows data. It shows data in horizontally. Okay, horizontal graph shows data horizontally. Width of the, here also same, width of the bars should be equal and distance between bar to bar should be equal. Okay, this is the vertical graph and bar graph. Bar should be proportional to number line. Okay, here bar is proportional to number line. Here also bar should be proportional to numbers. This is the bar graph. This is the vertical graph and horizontal graph.